back at it again on a Trail 70 this time. She's running like a champ. We're gonna get gas and then we're gonna try and hit some trails, ride around town a little bit, see if we can't get a little mud on the tires. Yeah, we're pretty low. Just ignore the puddle of gas that I just spilled right here. Nothing to see here. I took the CT110 out the other day, so I figured it was time to give the CT70 some love. And I think she's loving being out. It's a happy bike. We're gonna go up north. There's some trails that are open to the public up there. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, this thing tops out at about 35, so I don't want to really push it too hard because I've only got 3 gears on it. But for a 70cc, it really chugs long. I can see why so many people love these bikes. I certainly do. This is only like my second try motovlogging, so I don't have a microphone for my GoPro yet. Or I have a microphone, but I don't have the adapter to hook it up. I think that's getting here in the mail in a couple days. Because I ordered a microphone, but the adapter that came with it doesn't work with the GoPro. But it should, but it doesn't. So I guess we'll have to see. And if the adapter that comes in the mail doesn't work either, then it's back to the drawing board. I just had this thing on a camping trip in Pennsylvania. Campsite was, I think, like 2 or 3 miles from a gas station that also sold beer, which I guess is a thing in Pennsylvania. Kind of awesome. And this was like the perfect thing to do a beer run. I'm so glad I brought it. But I definitely understand why people rock a 125 in here. I'm gonna move over to the right, so somebody wants to pass me, they can. People really go fast on this road. I don't really want to get a clone. I'd much rather have the lower powered real Honda version than a clone. And I mean, no disrespect to people who have clones. They are getting pretty good. Like the Sky Team 125 or the Ice Bear Champion. I think they're all basically the same. They have a 125 light band, semi-auto, and basically the same stamped steel frame. I know a lot of the online sellers, they will stock parts for both the originals and the clones because the old heads want to restore their old 70s, and some of the newer guys, they get the clone, and it's basically the same. And then there are the guys that put the clone engine in the original Honda bike, which, unless your engine is like unsalvageable, completely messed up, I wouldn't do it. I would keep the original Honda. It's more reliable. On a hot day like today, you gotta wonder a little bit about an air-cooled engine. I'm pretty sure I saw somebody mod one of these to have an oil cooler on it, which is pretty amazing. Come on, you can do it. Every red light. Every single one. Hey puppy. Hey. Yeah. Let's check out what's going on over here. I see what looks like 4x4 tracks, which is usually a good sign. But it's so overgrown since last time. I don't even know if I can get through. Oh man. Too bad. It looks like the trail's completely overgrown, and I'm not on a bike that's big enough that I would do some bushwhacking. If I was on the 600, I would definitely do that, but on the 70, I'm just so low to the ground. Let's take a quick little peek over here. Oh, there we go. Well, somebody's done it. But I don't know if I want to do it on a little bike like this. Only this part is mowed. but that goes on for like a mile. You ride all the way down through some farmers' fields, but the bike's too small to make it through that, I think. Not such a big fan of the gravel, but this trail's pretty nice. Let's see where this goes. Wow, look at this. This is great. I feel like I'm in the Sound of Music over here. Wow, check this place out. Oh, here we go. Probably makes a big loop and joins up with that other fork. Wow. Well, I guess the only way out is through. That's not true. There's other ways out. Looks like this might be the end of the line. No, I think we can make this. It's going to be a little muddy. Oh yeah. Alright, I think this comes out at a cul-de-sac nearby. Just like walking the bike. But she's a trooper. I wonder if these houses are sold yet. It looks like nobody lives there. We got what looks like bulldozer tracks and a really sad old party balloon. Let's just check it out. Perfect. Got the orange trail markers. I have a feeling that this was a trail used to connect two construction sites, because I think this gets out at another pretty new housing development. Really fun to explore. Thank you, orange trail markers, I guess. whoever designed this trail did a pretty nice job. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Oh, I see houses. Well, these are temporary trail markers for sure. And it looks like they just ended. Come on, CT70, do your magic. I mean, in first gear, this thing really does crawl over most everything you throw at it. Is that a wild turkey over there? Yes, it is. No wonder I've never been back here. I feel like all of these houses and roads have probably sprung up in the past couple of years. They seem pretty new. Let's try this way. Wrong choice. Although, I bet there's a trail somewhere here. I'm willing to bet that's where I'll start next. We're stopping at the ice cream shop. Oh yeah. I needed that. Oh, my seat is hot. Hot seat. Squad out. Damn, I need to make friends with somebody who has a Grom. I've been wanting to try one out. I can't imagine it's that different than just riding one of these with a manual clutch. I think we're going to make one more woodsy excursion on this ride. Oh, the 70, struggling to get up a small hill. You got this, girl. Yeah, it's definitely raining. I'm just pulling over in the middle of the road to text. I do like a good partially cloudy summer rain though. It looks like it'll pass pretty quick. I mean, I don't even mind it. It's not too bad. I'm not getting soaked. The sun's out. And you can feel the air just cooled right off. I can outrun this rain on this tiny bike. Get some free cover. I think the last time I came here it was raining too. Last time I came here I walked this trail and parked my bike right at the beginning because I was on the XL600 and You don't want to be on an XL600 in here. I love the canopy. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, if I took the 600 in here, I'd be whacking my head on all sorts of branches. Oh yeah, we're getting a little bogged. Yeah. Good thing I can just do this. Easy. Oh, I'm even slipping on the mud. There we go. Oh, and you thought you were done. What a champ. Little Honda taking it like a champ. Oh no. There we go. I don't know what I would have done with a heavier bike. Probably just jumped it. That's right. This I think we can lift. And that is how it's done. See, I'm not the only one tearing up this dirt. Nice. Somebody's got to be putting these trees here on purpose. Okay, we got some signs of life and a river. There's no way that I can cross. We got some deer tracks. Really don't know if this is a trail. But the important thing is we're having fun. Bike's gonna need a bath after this one, that's for sure. I'm gonna need a bath after this one. I think that was my problem. That definitely wasn't a trail. That's a trail. Here we go. Ooh, almost tipped over backwards there. That was awesome. That was awesome. Wow. That was so fun. I don't know if I'd go there again without putting some knobbier tires on this thing, but I gotta say, it's the perfect bike for doing stuff like that. The CT110 definitely would have gotten stuck. And the XL600, I would have been hitting my head on branches and all sorts of stuff. All right, everybody, that's it for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment what bike I should take out next.